This is Jada,
and Jalea,
and today we are doing the On Top of the Ole Smokies Challenge created
by Ginger Snap
44.
So y'all root them on. PROMOSTK. Y'all root them on. Are you going to be Team Jada or are you going to be Team Jalea? Again, this challenge was created by Ginger Snap 44. Let's get the party going.
Hey guys, welcome back to PROMOSTK. It's Jada
and Jalea,
and today we accepted the On Top of the Ole Smokies Challenge by
Ginger Snap 44.
So the key is you gotta eat 20 Smokies in less than 2 minutes.
All right, so are you guys ready?
Yes.
Hold on, I gotta bless these Smokies.
Now bless it, bless it, bless it.
Okay.
I hope that I win this challenge. Please, 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 please. Jesus, I pray. Amen.
Amen.
I wish that I won this challenge. Great. Amen.
All right, so we got the timer right here.
Wait, is it whoever eats the most Smokies?
Well, you want to beat the 2-minute time, but if y'all don't beat the 2-minute time, whoever eats the most between you guys are gonna be the winner. All right, so get ready. Set.
Ready, set, go. I'm not even worrying about that napkin.
Free.
One-minute warning.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh, Jalea. Oh, Jalea. Jalea. Oh. Girl, serious about her Smokies. Jalea said, Jada may beat her in that pull-up challenge, but this is a new challenge. All right, less than 30 seconds. You got to chew them up, get them out your mouth. 15 seconds. We already know that. Uh-oh, they both got everything in their mouth, but let's see who gets it down first. 2, 1. All right! Go, Julia! Woo! With 2 seconds to spare. Y'all did awesome. Oh my God. Stay in the camera, stay in the camera. Oh my God, y'all did awesome. Woohoo! Y'all did better than Auntie. Oh my goodness. Jalea, that prayer helped you, didn't it?
Yes, it did.
All right.
I
Woo! All right, you won. So PROMOSTK. PROMOSTK.
Creations way.
PROMOSTK.
Creations way.
Eating good in the neighborhood. Eating good in the neighborhood. Eating good in the neighborhood. Eating good. In the neighborhood. Oh yeah. So y'all want to do whose challenge was that again?
Ginger Snap 44.
Y'all want to do that challenge? Y'all do the challenge. It's for any and everybody. It's a fun challenge. Y'all go and get y'all some Smokies and do that challenge. Woohoo! Oh yeah.
That hurt my throat.
Hey. Hey.